This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating easy causes. Toggle airplane mode for a quick network reset, then place a short test call. Once done, switch audio outputs between earpiece, speaker, and any Bluetooth device to isolate the path. Make sure to stop media apps and disable active noise suppression features temporarily so the mic isn't being altered. You're looking for a change in how your voice is captured. Hold the phone normally and speak naturally to verify improvement before moving to deeper checks. Next, dig into settings. Open app permissions and confirm the phone app and any VoIP apps have microphone access. Then run the built-in microphone test or record a short clip to hear direct input. This helps separate hardware failure from software. Make sure to inspect mic ports for lint or blockage and remove cases that press on mics. If you use Bluetooth, repair the device once paired. Verify input and output assignment so calls use the intended microphone. For final steps, apply pending OS and carrier settings updates, then restart the phone to load fixes. If problems persist, reset network settings or clear app data for the calling app. This refresh often resolves config corruption. Make sure to test with a wired or Bluetooth headset. This confirms whether the device mic is at fault. If all else fails, enable Wi-Fi calling or use a headset as a reliable fallback. Troubleshooting tip: try another handset SIM to isolate carrier versus hardware causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.